Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm excited to see that you are here. Today we'll discuss manage your attention, how to manage your attention, the key to prosperity. Attention to a particular task is most important to start, continue and complete the task. It helps to realize well what to do and what not to do. Attention is defined as the act or state of applying the mind to something. It is the ability to focus mind on one thing at a time. It helps to understand the environmental conditions that may support execution of the task. It indicates failures in planning and shortfall thoughts on particular aspect. It might have found many times fixing attention on the job helped you to find solution and win over the difficult situations. Deep attention forces you to talk to different people and get their diversified views, which may be helpful to you to get the final solution to the problem. More you concentrate on the job based on its importance, attention on it turns out to be better. So you spare more time on it. Actually, success depends on your amount of real attention on the subject. So it helps to find out the advantage as well as the disadvantage of a situation. It helps to fix your mindset when situations may go out of your control. It is the quality of attention that the task deserves and you pay jointly determines the success. You cannot be attentive to too many jobs at a time. So multitasking may spoil the quality of your attention each task deserves. It ultimately brings down the quality of works or service. Superficial, half-hearted attention to any task cannot improve the way you want to complete the task. Attention is important for almost every action, like learning, memorizing, establishing relationship. It's required to focus on relevant information and to be on the moment, to be present on the moment. It requires concentration of proper thoughts and get rid of distractions due to negative thoughts. Different activities almost in all walks of life like walking, talking, playing, studying, cooking requires intense attention to avoid mistakes. One mistake may call for another mistake. So you must add your mind towards your works and be more self-accountable. What are the benefits of attention? There are many benefits of attention. It helps to complete your tasks without too much stress and strain. During conversation, listen carefully. Otherwise, you will not get what is the theme of the subject. Concentrate to do the best you can do from the planning stage. Make it a habit to do the things right first time. If you are attentive, it takes less time to complete a job with minimum mistakes. So more you are attentive, creativity creeps in. Quality of work turns out to be better. Your productivity improves. So what may be the vital losses in absence of proper attention? So task completion may be longer. Task completion will take longer time and you may be involved in unrelated thoughts. Your precision time will be lost. You will be more stressed. Quality of work will suffer. Productivity will go down. How quality of attention can be improved? We need to improve the quality of attention. How quality of attention can be improved? This is a very important factor we must know or we must care for. Meditation helps to develop quality of attention on a particular task. Control your monkey mind, train your brain, listen to teachers and gurus, learn from stories, read good books, and improve awareness and power of attention on the subject. Simultaneously, identify the distractions and get rid of those factors which take away your action, your attention. Like all senses to the activity, use your wholehearted attention and use all your senses. Look at all angles, listen by heart, use your brain to think deeply. Keep all other senses alert. Depth of attention helps you to focus on activities you take up. Famous author Mr. Neer Eyal has explained in his book Indestructible how to control your attention and choose your life. How distractions like mobile phones, television to be prevented, and how internal and external triggers to be controlled to be more attentive and successful. Check the environmental indicators that take away your attention. This is more important. And feel what motivates you from within to remain focused and attentive. Importance of attention is felt everywhere, right from workplace meetings to cooking in house, on the road during transportation, attending social gatherings, by teenagers while attending classes, early adulthood people while attending duty, and likewise all people at a different life cycle stages. There are simple examples which are only these are only simple examples. These are only indicative and not very exhaustive. There are many fields where your attention is required. You must understand your need to be attentive and focused on the job. So, average human has about only 8-second real attention span or instant attention span. So, leverage power of your habits to improve your attention. Love what you do and have fun. Be on the moment. Love music. Live a life of choice. Stay away from negative thoughts. Know your goal, what to focus, train your brain, and control your monkey mind. Practice mindfulness. Concentrate on work at hand, no multitasking. Get escape from mobile, laptop, tablets while attending specific hardcore tasks. Plan your tasks well. Take short breaks, build self-discipline. Utilize every moment well and design your life in your desired way. It's not easy to remain alert and attentive always, as mind moves fast in all sides, in all directions, pertaining to many activities. Stress makes mind distressed. And attention quotient (AQ) changes. Attention quotient is now very important, like IQ, intelligence quotient, and EQ, emotional intelligence. As increasing growth of technology demands people attention more for better engagement, performance, and productivity. So be attentive, be more successful, and go ahead well. Thank you. Wish you happy and successful life.